Feb, okay. Did you
Mm-mm.
see her? The thing is, hindi na record ni TM Shane yung last check ni Teacher Feb. Pero may mga recording ako nung kay Teacher Rexy ata. I think I have the recording when she did the one with TM Shane. I just have to
Mm-mm.
find it,
Mm-mm.
yung actual. Pero may mga files ako. Yung may
Mm-mm.
kausap siyang teacher, I can also send it to you.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so what are your questions? Let's start here.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, the question said how much deduction on trial lesson or ET?
Okay, maybe wala ka pa doon, no? Because where are you in the training? Are you in the day 2 and day 3 in the Ding Talk training?
Um, I don't really know how to gauge what I did. Ang alam ko lang, ma'am, nasa number 8 na ako, something like GE training system like that,
Mm,
or
nasa
7.
baba pa ata yung day 2 and 3. Okay,
Mm,
so
mm.
which number was it? It's not here. This is the
Uh,
topmost.
uh, or where's that listed? How much deduction on 80? It says how much deduction on 80.
Okay, let's start here. What's your question here?
Okay, ma'am. Number 4, if the students ask for recording, what should you say? Yeah, maybe this one, ma'am.
Hmm.
Is it able, both of you, the student and the teacher, are able to record, or it's only me who can record the lesson, the class?
Actually, what's gonna happen is, at what time should you enter the class?
Yeah, I heard you said it's 3 minutes before the class. It
Yes,
could
it's
be
3 minutes. Yes,
57, 57.
2:57.
Mm.
Yes. So, at what time should you end the class?
Uh, at least 50 minutes, and the remaining 2 for the maximum of 3, doing the rating evaluation, and then the saving.
Okay.
I mean the
Evaluation.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let's say the class is at 2 o'clock. So you enter on the 57th minute prior to 2 o'clock, and then you
Mm-mm.
admit the student at what time?
Uh, of course, exactly 2 o'clock.
Okay, and then at what time should you finish?
I will finish the lesson proper. Maybe I might be finishing at the 50th
50th,
minutes.
50th
Yeah,
minute. Yes.
and then the remaining 2 to 3 minutes, I can be sure I already shown the evaluating rating, and then I saved already the datas, and
Okay, so
then
actually the 50th minute is doing all of it. You remember the time management
mm-mm.
for
Ay,
BE and GE. So dapat
mm-mm,
kasama na. But then, kung hindi ka
mm-mm,
matapos for
mm,
whatever reason, nag-extend
mm,
kayo. Usually sa vocab naman nag-extend.
mm, mm.
Then you can up to the third or fourth, wag ka na abot ng 55th
Yeah,
minute.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, I heard.
So if you do this, it will be attached in the class detail page. It's gonna look like this. Damn it. Wait a minute. I'm gonna open one teacher's page. Let's say teacher Cheryl's. So you're going to complete not in the PlusWeb kasi there are two websites,
Mm, mm,
PlusWeb and Singapore.
mm.
Pero you're going to complete in itongzuo.com. So
So
dito ka
never
'di ba magse-save ka dun sa PlusWeb, but you will save here. This is the main website of itongzuo. Meaning, if let's say this is an NL class, pag walang ET, NL class yon. Pag ET,
okay.
pag ET, it's gonna look like this. Let's find something. Pag ET, may ET. See that?
Mm,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
So, ngayon, on the recording, this is the class detail page. Pumasok na tayo sa page ni student. Clinic ko na, right? So, class detail page, pag tama ang duration mo, mag-a-attach dito automatically yung recording. Recording URL. Ito
Mm,
yon. Ika-copy mo yan, copy. Tapos kunwari I'll send it to you in your Skype. And you will
mm,
see that, wait a minute. You will see that this is the recording link. Automatic siya. See? Ito na yung class ngayon. That's the recording. So, meaning to say, as you enter your VOOV, automatic recording.
mm,
Automatic recording din siya. You got it? Yan na yung recording. Yan yung tanong mo.
mhm,
Okay? So, this is the copy ID now that we're talking about it. Let's say wala pa si student. What you're gonna do is you need to send the message to TA, di ba? Parang
mm,
napag-usapan na natin yon.
mm, mm.
Then it's gonna look like this. Tingin tayo na. Ito. Sa Skype lahat nangyayari. Yeah.
Mm,
So, class ID is gonna look like this. Ito. Dito mo siya makukuha. Isang click mo lang, lahat to, makukuha mo tong information, name, level, target, etc. Pati yung date, nandyan. Length. Yan. Lahat yan nasa copy ID. Tapos, ang
okay.
sasabihin mo, TA, meron kang TA. Kunwari si Dennis yung TA mo. The student hasn't joined the class. Please contact the student for me. Thank you very much. So, parating, pag may sasabihin ka sa TA, may ID parate. And then,
Mhm,
what's your message? What do you want TA to do? So,
mhm,
sasabihin mo, the student hasn't entered my class. Please contact the student for me. Thank you. And then let's say dumating na si student. So student is here. Ganon. Student here.
mm,
Pero let's say hindi dumating. Then you will wait for 25 minutes. Whether 1.0 kasi is 50 minutes. Pagka merong mga classes na 2.0, so double the 50 minutes. Meron din naman minsan na kalahati nito, which is 0.5. So 25 minutes lang yon. Okay, so you better pay attention to yung duration. Okay.
Halimbawa TM ganito ang gawin ko, the student's not yet arriving within 15 minutes, but I'm still patient to wait until 25 minutes without giving notice to my TA. Can that be?
No. You just have to remember it's not 15, it's 25
Yeah,
minutes.
yes, ma'am.
So,
Uh,
wait, no. Don't plan on your own. Kasi
ah,
maguguluhan ka.
I see.
So,
Okay.
let's say wala pa, right? You need to wait. That's the waiting time, 25 minutes. So let's say tapos na ang waiting time. So TA, I've already waited for 25 minutes. So I'm
Mm-mm.
gonna tag SAB, student absent yon, yung SAB. So, that is when it's a normal class. Ibig sabihin, kung NL siya. Pero kung ET trial class, hindi mo siya matatag na SAB. It's TA who will do that. Kasi remember, pagka ET or trial class, sila magbibigay nun eh. So sila magtatag nun. So
Mm.
dito ka magko-complete, which is here. Dito mo siya magko-complete. Completed, save. Tapos dito mo makikita na class status, complete. Dapat yan complete. So
Mm.
ngayon, di ba pinag-uusapan natin yung lagpas ka ng 50 minutes or something?
Mm.
Pag
Mm.
lagpas ka ng duration, magbi-BSR OT na siya. Ibig sabihin, OT, overtime.
Mm. Mm.
Walang bayad ang overtime. Because we
Mm.
train the teachers to manage the time. So,
Mm.
this has to be complete, not OT. Okay, let's say, yung website nag-hang. I-screenshot mo yung website, nag-error or loading. I-screenshot mo yon para ma-dispute mo kasi pwede mong ma-dispute from your system. Okay, malalaman mo yon sa day 2 and day 3. Hindi ka pa kasi tapos doon. Okay, gusto mo ba tapusin muna yung day 2 and day 3 before ka mag PM Shane check? Pwede ko namang
Um,
hindi muna i-schedule yung check. Pwede kong i-delay
mm.
ng konti. Pero
Mm.
na-create ko na yung page mo, pwede nating i-delay ikaw ng, let's say, Tuesday. Matapos mo
Mm.
lang muna yon.
Yes, ma'am. So, what do you think it's better then? I'll be thankful.
Yeah, I think it's better if you finish. Actually, meron ka pang Saturday and Sunday. Tapos pwede ko
Mm.
ring i-schedule yung check mo on Monday. Tamang-tama lang sa start day mo.
Mm.
Pwede kitang i-announce ng Monday evening.
Mm.
So, pwede ka mag-open ng Tuesday. Tuesday na lang.
Mm.
I mean,
Mm.
it's better that hindi ka nakakomply dun sa Monday. It's better than mamadaliin natin tapos marami ka pang hindi alam.
Mm.
It's better,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's the
Mm.
recording. So going back
Mm.
to here. Okay, what else?
Uh, about the enterprise VooV,
Okay, what about it?
just a little confused. What's the difference of my personal VooV and enterprise VooV? So
Okay,
how can I
the free
enter?
version, sorry, the free version is um it can only last for like mine. Mine is free.
Mm.
This meeting can only last me until 50 minutes or 1 hour. But then the VooV Enterprise, since there's 2.0 duration, you can go on and continue the meeting without having to stop and restart. That's the difference.
Mm.
So
And
meaning
then
to
how?
say, also, every minute counts because
Mm.
that's being paid by the company. Meaning,
Yeah.
there's such thing as overusage of VooV. Meaning to say, ang
Mm.
binayaran lang ni student is 50 minutes. Tapos ikaw
Mm.
nag-extend ka hanggang more than 55 minutes. Every minute, parang taxi, binabayaran
Mm.
ng company. Eh kaso hindi naman
Mm.
nabayad ng student.
Mm.
Kaya you are
Mm.
trained to complete on time.
Mm. But how to enter?
How to enter the booth?
Yeah. Is it the same as kukunin lang yung PMI ni boss ganon and then you enter?
They will enter your booth. You will just have to start your booth. Start
On my
meeting.
first.
No. You're using Voove Enterprise. Are you using your free Voove or
Yes,
Voove Enterprise?
yes, ma'am.
Free boot.
Free Boob, ma'am.
Okay, because
Mm,
on training it always has to be the free version. So
mm,
since you're joining my meeting room,
mm,
you type my ID, right?
mm,
But the students have your PMI. PMI is your meeting ID, parang Zoom ID. Hindi yun mag-change kasi kiniklik mo na yung PMI. It means stay put na siya dun sa ID na
mm,
yon. So kaya
mm,
kailangan, let's say nag-update ka or nag-change ka ng computer, always do the settings. Yung no
mm.
password and waiting room at saka yung what else? Yung PMI. Very important. Otherwise, mag-change yung ID mo.
So meaning that when I enter the class, so I will enter my
Your own.
personal VOOB,
Yes.
my and then bahala na si student na mag-enter dun sa
Yes.
akin gamit yung enterprise VOOB. Is that right?
Yes, yes.
Hmm,
You just have to click waiting. Meron yung
mm,
magpa-pop up. Parang 'di ba yung parang Zoom,
mm,
merong
mm.
waiting and then
Yeah, yeah.
admit
Mm,
button, may ganon.
mm.
So on the upper right side. Remind me
Oh,
tomorrow to send you screenshots. I can send you screenshots.
yes. I thought that there is another PMI. Yeah, the one that's enterprise VOOB.
That's why
Na,
I ask you for screenshots, is to see that
mm,
you already set it.
mm,
Yeah,
mm,
I also checked your VOOV. It means it's to check that there's no password. Kaya may
mm.
screenshots. It's to know what's the setting you did.
No password. You can,
Correct.
yeah, anyone can enter.
Yes. Okay,
Mm.
what else?
Uh-huh. Yeah, this one, ma'am. What to do when student might be absent? I think we are done with that. I'll just give notice to the TA and wait for 15 minutes
Not 15,
or
25.
25 minutes. Mm-mm.
Teacher, wag ka pamali-mali.
Mm-mm.
Magfe-fail ka sa ano mo, sa kasi last check na yun eh. You know, it's a compilation of all that you learned.
Mm-mm.
So, but then, pag kunwari, sinabi na kakausap lang natin 25 minutes. That's in the day 2 and day 3 skills eh. Yung 25, ginawa mong 15. Pag meron kang 2 or 3 na ganon, parang, hey, hindi mo pa alam. Magkakaroon tayo ng problem sa actual class. Hindi ka papapasahin ni TM Shane.
Mm-mm.
Kasi may mga gray areas eh, na hindi ka sure. You have to be sure.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
So it means kung ano lahat ng questions dito, dapat alam mo yung sagot.
Mm-mm.
Okay? So what else? Like this one, do you know
Mm.
how to share your PC audio, which is very important?
Yes, yes, I know.
Okay. What
So,
else? Done?
mm, yeah, number three, what should you do first when you admit the students into your meeting room?
Yeah, we just talked about that, right?
And four, okay, five.
Hey, teacher, I need you to check this out. Okay, and then tell me which number. Because if we're going
Okay.
to do this each and every, baka
Mm-mm.
11, 12, hindi pa
Mm-mm.
tayo
Mm-mm.
tapos. What I need you to do is check it out. What
Mm-mm.
number is not clear? Okay, because
Yeah.
if we are going to, now it's 10 o'clock, tapos
Mm-mm.
iisa-isahin natin to na already you have watched in several recording. Even here, there's a recording here, you see. Meron na ditong last check ni Tim Shane. See that? Okay. So it
Nag-last
means,
check kami.
Teacher Mia, it's
Ma'am?
it's by after you're done with the check, we can enroll you. What I wanted you to do is don't involve me in your preparation. Don't involve me in your preparation. You prepare on your own. like why your profile is important. So there are some recordings that I've already given. So, um, but for us to talk about all this at 10
Mm.
o'clock, matatapos siguro tayo niyan 11 or past 11:30.
Mm. Yeah. But yes, ma'am. But so far, yes, as I watched the video, somehow I was enlightened so much, and talagang nire-review ko yung mga questions nila and
Yeah,
trying to.
but the thing is, you mentioned you have 5 questions, right?
Mm.
So, but you have to know where is it? Because
Mm.
there's one, there's
Mm.
two,
Mm.
there's three,
Mm.
yeah, and four. And then, di ba, I told you to write it down. Because
Mm.
if you're going to do this like each and every, edi para kayo pa binigyan kita nitong files na to. You are
Mm.
involving me in your preparation that pwede namang ikaw sana nag-prepare on your own. And then
Mm.
we just do a Q&A. Alin dito yung hindi mo alam? Yes?
Mm.
Kasi, do you know how early I start? I'm
Yeah.
more than 12 hours already
Oh.
here. Yes, I
Mm.
work really hard. And tomorrow I'm going to start with a new batch, with a new training plan and all that. So if you can see here, everything is here. You see that? There's
Mm.
a brochure here that you can check out. So, but then
Mm.
I told you, do you have questions? Write it down. Kasi I'm pretty sure maybe may mga hindi ka alam. But then you have to, I mean, I won't walk you through because already you have the materials here. So, sabihin mo lang, summarize it. What are your questions? Ito. Hindi malinaw to. See that? So, but now you cannot tell me what are your specific questions, right? The 5 na sinabi mo. Because I told you, ito yung lalabas. Because when I discussed with Teacher Rexy, you saw it. Teacher
Mm.
Rexy said, TM, I've already checked it, right? These are just my questions. Because he did his part. Pinag-aralan niya to. You get
Mm.
it? So, inalam niya, ano rin yung mga questions niya. Pero ngayon, since hindi mo alam yung questions mo, you cannot even say the 5, right? At this point in time. Wag nating madalian. I'll be very busy next week, but I need you to study this. Ano ang question mo? Which part?
Mm.
Okay? So,
Okay.
let's say this one. What's TA's responsibility?
Well, this responsibility is to sell lesson or present you as a teacher to new students or trial students,
Okay, all
and
right.
also check whether you are in good appearance, like you're not canceling, you're not making any absences,
Okay. Yes, yes.
because that, of course the TA is earning with relation to the teacher.
Teacher. And the students. They're the
Mm.
ones who coordinate with the students with regards to teacher
Mm.
and student coordination.
Mm.
Okay. So,
Uh,
yeah, what
yeah,
else?
ma'am. Something like this kasi, when I watched Teacher Feb video with you and Teacher Rexy, yeah, somehow it helped. I said it helps me a lot.
Mhm.
Sometimes their question is my question, so I was really enlightened to know and to hear their question. So it's something like okay sa akin. Parang
Yes, but
mm.
you must have your own because it means you watched only the videos. Then it enlightened you. Meaning hindi mo to inisa-isa. Tama ba ako?
Mm.
Kasi
Mm,
kasi
that
teacher, if I am the one studying this, oh, okay, Mary, this one is not clear for me. Can you explain this a little bit? This part. Okay, what about this one? Number 5. This one isn't clear for me. What's buying rate? You get it? Pero now, wala ka nun eh. You mentioned you have 5 questions. It means, pinag-aralan mo to. Anong questions mo? Yes.
Mm.
But right now, you don't have that because I'm guessing you did not study each and every. You have to. Kasi hindi natin alam anong matatapat na question sa'yo.
Mm.
But what I'm trying to tell you is that we're not going to discuss each and every. I just want to know what's your question. Because as I've mentioned, may mga recordings na malalaman mo na dun eh, yung sagot. So
Mm.
ngayon,
Mm.
from those recordings, ano pa yung hindi mo alam na hindi mo mahanap dito sa available na material sa'yo? Okay? Kasi may mga ano to eh, naka-embed na information. Ano yung itsura ng teacher's profile, mabubukas mo yan. Mga hyperlinks to eh. Pero ito yung mga tanong niya. So, yan ang mga tanong niya. Ito yung itsura ng teacher's profile, yung prepare mo na. That's why may mga links dito na pwede kang mong mapanood. So, as you can see, kaya tayo nag-repeat because very specific sila dun sa profile. It's here. See that? Meron dyang teacher's voice is loud and clear, no background noise. So, kailangan mong isa-isahin to. So, what's the importance of a good profile? It's this one. So, selfie ganito, tapos video has to be clear. Kasi nga, sino ba mag-appreciate nito? It will be the students. Okay? So, ito yung checklist mo nung nag-demo ka, right? Ito yung VUV test. If you see here, how do you change your background? How do you change the background?
Yeah, of course I'll go to video. I will see my video, and then there's the video check background. Then there are pictures appear.
Yeah,
So
sa
yeah,
settings. Yes.
I add the company's picture,
Yes.
and then
So,
that's it.
so basically, this is how you study this. If there's something not clear for you, that's what you ask me. You get it? So this is the 15-minute check. I-check niya to, yung enrollment, TM collect the basic information, which you went through already, right? TM's orientation training. We will do this after your last check. It means that hindi pa kita sinali dito yung mga what to click because ayaw kitang ma-overwhelm, right? But I have the orientation for this. It's just basically what to click. Yun yung pinapakita ko sa orientation because I'll show you a little the orientation a bit. Wait a minute. Stop. Let's go to itong Zuo parate yan. This is where you complete the class. So because we're going to a future class, Feb.
Itong's is Singapore, TM.
Chinese. Chinese. That's our company is in China. So this is where you complete itong Zuo.
It seems like
so
I don't have that
let me show
link
you.
yet.
You don't have, you have your
Yeah.
page. You need to open it. But this one is already, there are bookings already. So this is where you complete future class. It's gonna look like that. And then you see there are tags here. Wala pang recording kasi hindi pa naklasehan. So it can be completed, save. Kasi di ba class notes yung nakikita mo?
Mm-mm.
You complete here, hindi doon. Dito mo mako-complete, completed, save. That's where you do it in iTunes Duo. And then yung hindi nasagot ni Teacher Feb, the TA is here, TA's name is here, and then the book remark is, saan ba yung book remark? Sabi mo na lang it's in the class detail page. Usually sometimes my message si student, it can be seen here, book remark. Yeah, here. Ngayon wala akong makita eh. Maybe this one, something like this. Basta it looked like another like this. Tapos merong request si student that looks like a book remark. It doesn't appear in all pages, in all students' pages. So makikita mo lang, may message sa akin si student or si TA. Mag-a-appear siya sa class detail page. So now, where do you have the class? It will be in the Plus Web I mentioned to you. Wait a minute, let me open that.
Yeah, I have the link on about the Plus
Plus
Web
Web
and
and
Singapore.
Okay. So
But the Chinese,
Chinese. So this is where you're gonna have the class. So Teacher Feb, no? Nag-sign in na siya. So ito yung ET class niya, first ET class niya. So dito ka ngayon magtuturo. Teaching page. So you see, wala ditong, hindi ka makaka-complete dito. Save button lang to. Tapos favorite na tanongin ni TM Shane, if it's our first class, how do you start the class? So if it's our first class, I'm your new student, how do you start the class? Can you try it?
Okay. So of course, like the demo, I'll start with the warm-up.
How do you do the warm-up or the ice breaking?
Yeah, of course, I will introduce myself as a teacher. How long have I been?
Go
How long
ahead,
am I?
Introduce yourself.
Okay. For example, hello, I'm teacher Felipe from Partner English.
Hello, you're
I've been
Philippe. You're not Felipe.
Okay. So I'm teacher Philip from Partner English, and I've been teaching English online for 9 years. And yeah, I have a bachelor's degree in journalism. So I
Okay,
love.
wait. When you introduce yourself, you better just summarize it. Hi, I'm Partner English. I'm teacher Philip from Partner English. I've been teaching for 9 years. And mention about your strengths, like why the student would like to enroll with you.
Okay.
Yun lang, wag na yung course mo and all that, because that won't matter. The point is, it's a trial class. Bakit ako mag-enroll sa teacher na to? Mention your strength. How can you help your student? Yun ang i-mention mo. Okay? So try to compose what will be your intro. Doon pa lang sa meeting mo kay TM Shane. Okay? And then after you introduce yourself,
and then yeah, how about you? Can you also tell something about me?
Fantastic.
So
can you also tell about yourself? Yes. And then what do you do when I'm the student? I'm already talking about myself.
Yeah, of course I'm writing. I'm
Here,
writing. Yeah, there above about the student, the name, where are you from?
Yeah. What's
And
the most
then
important thing that you need to get from the student?
Yes. May I know if what's your purpose of studying
Yes,
English?
purpose. Yeah, the purpose.
Mm-mm.
So that you can adjust your methodology and be able to achieve the objective of your student. Okay, so
Mm-mm.
everything, then, yan, save. And then you make sure everything is working well here, audio, video, paglaruan mo na yan. So,
So,
going back to the shared document with you here. Yeah. So, yan, self-intro link, enterprise, VOOV coaching, quality check. Lahat yan yung pag-uusapan nyo.
mm,
Yung pinaka scoring sheet, okay, wait, asan na yung scoring sheet? Ito siya. Communication, so magpapa-introduce siya sa'yo, make sure you ask her to introduce herself. System operation, so saan ka magko-complete ay itong Zuo, tapos doon ka magka-class sa PlusWeb. VOOV operation, TA. Kailangan alam mo yung sa TA.
mm-mm.
Tapos, sa teacher's profile, bakit tayo umulit-ulit? Kasi may isang teacher nag-zero siya. Maybe I can give you a copy. Kasi hindi siya malinaw. Ang tagal, 2 times siya nag-quality check. Hindi malinaw yung photo. Tapos video, hindi rin ganun kalinaw yung headset niya. Yun.
Mm-mm.
So during the quality check, bumili na siya ng bago but she bought like a Chinese headset. So hindi
Mm-mm.
malinaw. Kaya
Mm-mm.
ziniro siya dito.
Mm-mm.
Ziniro siya.
Mm-mm.
And it's very sad because she has finished everything. All
Mm,
training.
mm,
First time. Ngayon kasi naghihigpit sila. Kaya I
mm,
really want you to prepare well so that
mm,
you can ace this.
mm,
Okay? So tingnan mo
mm,
lahat tong mga to na shinare ko sa'yo. May mga yung brochure hindi na natin diniscuss to. Pero pag titingnan mo siya, it's basically what you did. Yung entry form, from your enrollment information, ako mag-fill up yan. Kung ano yung hiningi ko sa'yo, yun lang din papasok dyan. Yeah, screenshot of diploma, ganyan. So, dito ka nag-dingtok. You see, mga dinaanan mo na yan.
mm,
Right? Nag-PMI ka, no password, and all that. I need you to check it out.
mm,
Right? So, yung VOOV na to, napagdaanan mo na kung paano mo kinonvert yung VOOV mo. 'Di ba nag-Ding Talk registration ka muna? Tapos,
mm, yes.
let me see yung remaining time ko. 46. 'Di ba nag-Ding Talk registration ka? Pinasok mo yung mobile number mo +6 something something ganyan. Tapos
STM.
nag-login ka. Tapos 'di ba you used your mobile number
Mm.
and then your own password. Doon ka pumasok for VOOV Enterprise. Yun,
Oh.
that was it. Yun yung VOOV. Tapos, napag-usapan na natin to, di ba, yung service provider, right?
Mm, mm. STM.
Yeah. So, yan. I mean, about the complaints and negative feedback, of course,
Mm,
what are the things that you must remember para you can avoid negative feedback?
mm,
So, basahin mo isa-isa. Kung may tanong ka, let me know. Okay?
mm,
Kasi kung isa-isahin natin 'to lahat, abutin tayo ng
mm.
shutdown. Yeah. Pero alam mo na yung mga iche-check niya, right? Eto. Eto yung mismong ano niya. score sheet niya.
Okay. So I'll just go back to that later dun sa scoring sheet.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
So yung scoring sheet naman, may mga answer siya dito eh. I'll show it to you, Teacher Ibe. Pag titingnan mo yung score sheet niya, ito yung communication.
Mm.
Please write an apology letter. Kasi kung normal lessons, meron kang, pwede kang mag-leave ng message to your student dun sa comment. Di ba magtatag ka? Kung sab or ganyan. Meron din doon na teacher normal cancel. Tapos you can leave a message. Then message can be like this. So it means sa communication, ito yung question na lalabas, ito yung answer.
Mm.
Dito mo siya makikita, scoring sheet, questions, answers. Etong system operation, meron din ako nito na dinownload. Naka-YouTube na yung how to do the system operation. Where can you check your salary? Tapos, where can you check the class amount? Meron na rin, meron akong recording nito. Tapos, ito kasi watch the video eh. And then, ito na yung VUV, alam mo na yan. Tapos, ito yung about TA. So, it means, ito yung scoring sheet niya, ito yung questions, ito yung answers. You get it?
So the only thing is hindi pare-pareho yung question ni
Yes.
Mm.
Hindi pare-pareho. So, isa-isahin mo yan, tapos let me know lang kung meron kang question.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
there's none,